Hello, you're welcome. In this video, we are going to be looking at how you can add connectors to your chart while working in ThinkCell. So when you plot your chart in ThinkCell, you may want to connect the series, and this is very easy to do with ThinkCell. There is a feature that helps you perform this function very easily. So I'm going to demonstrate two ways you can do this. The first way we can do this is to just come to the chart and we right-click on the chart. Then from the list of the options that we have here, we select this Add Connector option. Once you select it, you can see that all our series have been connected. Now, it is possible you don't want to connect all the series, and there are specific series you want to connect. Let's say you want to connect only series 2. To connect series 2, we are going to remove the connector that we've added already. So we right-click here, and then come here to remove connector. Then select this series 2. We just use the Shift key to select the 3 series 2 and then right click. Then you see the option to add connector and you select it. So you can see we have added connector only to series 2. If we want to add connector for just 2024 and 2025, we are going to remove this one. And then what we will do is just select this series 2, the first one, right click, and then you select Add Connector, and you can see it has connected 2024 and 2025. So this is the first way you can add connector, by simply using the right click feature. Another way that we can add connector is by using the universal connector, and I'm going to show you how we do this in the next slide. So if you look at this very slide, you can see we have a pie chart and also a column chart. Now we want to connect this column chart to this pie chart. And you can see we have fruits, tubers, and grains. So we want to connect the fruit to the specific example of fruits that are given here. In this case, you are going to be using the universal connector. So to add the universal connector, I will just click on this pie. Once I've clicked on the pie, I will come here where I have elements. That's under ThinkCell, where I have elements, and then click on this universal connector. So once I click on the universal connector, you can see I can easily connect as I want. So I want to connect from here. So I will click on it and then come to this apple and also click on it. So it has connected this first one. I'll click on this pie again, then come to this universal connector, click on it. Then from here, I'll click here and then click on this apple. So you can see that we have connected the fruits to apple and banana. So I can make this right angle so as to look better. So what I will do is just click on here where I have this dot. You just move it up and you can see you have made it right angle and it looks quite better. You can do same for this, okay? But this one does not really look nice. So in order to bring it back to its normal way, you still click on the line. Then from here where you have this point, you just drag and you can see it is just the same way it was before. And these are just the ways you can add connectors to your chart while working in ThinkCell so as to make your chart communicate the message you want to communicate effectively. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.